Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how to uninstall OBS screen recorder on Windows. So let's get started. Now the steps are pretty simple, so make sure you follow along. Now what you can do is simply you need to head over to your search from your bottom of your screen, as you can see in here, and now we are going to be heading over to Control Panel. Click on Control Panel, and now you can see we have this option to uninstall a program. Click on that, and now here will be available our OBS. Just search in here for OBS and you'll be able to find it. So let's just scroll a little bit down, and you can see we have our OBS Studio in here. Simply click on that and right click, and you can see we have this option to uninstall or change. Simply click on that and your OBS screen recorder will be uninstalled. Now there is another way as well. You can simply head over to the file location where it is installed. So let's just try to do that. Let's say you have OBS Studio in here, right click on that, and here we have this option to open file location. Click on that, and once you do, you can see we have this option to uninstall. So the OBS screen recorder comes with its uninstalling software as well. So if you just launch this, and the OBS screen recorder will be uninstalled completely, but the files which are recorded using OBS screen recorder will not be affected. They will be completely safe in your local storage, and you will be able to access them even after uninstalling your OBS screen recorder. So that's a pretty simple process. In fact, I showed you two different processes on how to uninstall OBS screen recorder. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.